Hello guys, welcome to Vera TV. Today we are going to prepare a traditional food called mokimo and beef stew. We shall need the following: potatoes, maize, pumpkin leaves, onions, tomatoes, coriander, On a medium heat, boil your potatoes and maize. Add water. Add salt. Boil for 15 minutes. Our potatoes and maize are ready. Boil your pumpkin leaves for 5 minutes. Blend your pumpkin leaves. Smash gently. Smash gently while adding pumpkin soup. Boom, our mokimo is ready. On a medium heat, boil your meat with salt. After the meat has boiled, add oil. Steam. Add onions. Steam. Add garlic. Steam. Add tomatoes. Spin. Add paprika. Add royco. Spin. Add coriander. Spin. Add water. Spin for the water to mix well with the spices. Boom, our stew is ready.